Konnichiwa. Today's video is about edamame. You might learn something new. If you do learn something, I feel very honored.
Edamame, what the heck are they? Are they exotic and rare beans? Edamame are young soybeans, nothing exotic. Sorry for broken dreams. All this time you thought you were eating some sort of new thing, exotic Japan, but now you know all this time you were just eating baby soybeans. Black edamame takes a long time to cook, but the green edamame cooks in 4 minutes. Eda means branches, mame means beans. Edamame means beans on branches. Carrot is carrot, radishes.
Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.